Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, look. It's going to be drinking. It's going to be smoking. It's going to be swearing. Look, look. You have been warned. Here I come in 3. Look, look. 2. Look, look. 1. Bang! Welcome, everyone. My name is Shamar Clark. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the whole multiverse. Yes, indeed. Bang, bang. And seeing as it's the greatest, well, I guess we got a great show for you today, don't we? Bang! Yes, we do. So look, look. Let's talk, brothers. Tezos. All right, Tezos hodlers. You guys inked a big deal today, huh? Yes, inked a big old deal. Tezos signs a big deal with a major Brazilian bank, and we're going to talk about. I think it's about a $1 billion deal. So, bang, Tezos hodlers, and then here comes some more liquidity. Here comes some more big money. Here comes some more institutional investors. Bang, look, look. We're going to talk about them. The EU's futures are coming, and then we have another country that wants to enter the coveted, the glorious, the most astounding cryptocurrency blockchain news list of champions. Now, they don't get to enter today, but as you know, here on the Crypto Blockchain Show, our list of champions are here on this side, and then we have these that are waiting on that side. So we're going to put them on the waiting list, but bang, here they come, and they said they're coming. Bang, so we're going to do that. So, dudes, let's do how we do, brothers and sisters. Bang, look, look. Yes. And then we bang. All right, we're at 11.2. Let's take a look. Let's do a quick refresh. Yeesh, 10.9. Yay. Okay. Look, look. Looks like we're bouncing around. I don't really mind this. It looks like we're bouncing around between, high 10s, low 11s right now. So that's consolidation as far as I'm concerned. Bitcoin moves usually not usually, but it has a tendency to move up to $1,000 a day. So if you're just going to bounce around within a nice tight, within a range of, upper 10s to low 11s, it's normal. It's fine. So, but let's get to work. Let's do it. All right, what are we doing here? So, yesterday when I left you, the Bitcoin was at 11,690. Today we are at 10,915, $10,915, which gives us a, what is that? 700 and change move. All right, look. Top 10 wins of the day, brothers. Or no, top 10 of the day by market cap of the day, brothers. Here's usual suspects, brothers. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Binance Coin, Tether, Binance Bitcoin SV, and Tron. Yes, bang. Look, look. Moves of the day. As usual, single digits up. Wow. There's no up on this page, but I'm sure we're going to see one. So let's just call it single digits up to single digits down. Or maybe I'm wrong. We'll see. There's an up. All right. All right. Yes. Single digits up to single digits down. Justified my thing. Single digits up to single digits down. Tezos. Oh, that's what we're about to talk about. So they're up today. Okay. Single digits up to single digits down. Oh, you guys hearing about this chain link thing? Look, look. Single digits up to single digits down. 2. Single digits up to single digits down. 2 single digits up, 2 single digits down. All right, look, look. Let's see top 10 loser of the day. Anything on here you like, you go buy it because it's on sale. Look, look. Top 10 loser of the day. Metaverse ETP. Vest Chain, MadeSafe Coin, Lambda, Qcoin shares, Ravencoin, Zcoin, Thorcoin, Bitcoin, and Energy. All right. Let's look at top 10 winners of the day. Yes. All right, top 10 winners of the day, brothers. Komodo, Next, Ren, Dogecoin, Egretia, Solve, Quant, Tezos, Dent, and Sentiment Network. All right. Let's look at total market cap of the day, brothers and sisters. Look, look. 312.8 in total market cap. All right. 312.8. And yesterday, yeesh, we went down. Yes. Yeah, it's a nice chunk. Yesterday, we're at 331 even. So I guess we're down, what is that? 19 billion? Yes, if my math is correct. Okay, 19 billion down. Look, total 24-hour volume of the day, 74.6. And our volume also went down. We were at 83.4 yesterday. So basically went down like, what's that about? 9 billion. 9 billion down. And what we say? 19 billion down in total market cap. So, just a down day. Just a down day. Look, no big deal. Sounds about right. All right. Nothing to worry about. All right, brothers. Now, bang, look, Tezos lovers, Tezos hodlers. Boom, boom. Brazilian bank plans to use Tezos blockchain for STOs worth $1 billion. And this is it's the largest, standalone investment bank in Brazil. Anyway, I think it's in the story, so we'll read about it. So there we go. Cool. Tezos. Let's see what Tezos is about. Never really been on my radar. You know what I mean? You guys know how it is. Like once I have my, now that I have my portfolio set up, I mean, you got to really impress me. You know what I mean? You got to do some sort of theta, like Theta Coin or like that new one that I just said its name. What was its name? Chainlink, right? Doing big things right now, right? They got that Google contract. But look, this is doing some big things now. So, Tezos hodlers, let me get a little beverage. You marinate on that title, and let's get to it. Like I said, personally, crypto and banking, yeesh, I'm turned off now. But there's a lot of things to do in the financial industry. That's what I should call it, financial industry. It's not just banking. So, there are a lot of things to do, not just moving money from one bank to another. Like, all right, that's one little thing. There's insurance, there's guarantees, there's just all sorts of stuff. And don't worry, brother, I have not forgotten. I have not forgotten yet. I'm going to tell you what the prediction was. Oh, my gosh. I hope I don't forget again so I don't look like an idiot. Look, Brazilian bank plans to use Tezos blockchain for STOs worth $1 billion. Let's check them out. BTG Pactual, Brazil's fifth largest bank, plans to utilize the Tezos blockchain for security token offerings potentially worth $1 billion. For the effort, BTG, also Brazil's largest standalone investment bank, so they're the kind of guys that give money to, if you want to open a shopping mall, all right, we'll give you the loan to do it, will team with Dubai-based asset manager Dalma Capital. I don't know who Dalma is. In a press release published Wednesday, the two firms said they would use the Tezos network for the sale of digital securities to address a deal pipeline in excess of $1 billion for existing and prospective token issuances. The deals include the REIT BZ tokenized property offering announced in February and would further cover a variety of traditional and alternative investments, they noted. So, you know what a REIT is, right? A REIT, right? A tokenized property. A REIT is a real estate investment trust, REIT, real estate investment trust. And so it's a company that just owns a lot of real estate all around the world kind of thing. Let's leave it at that. Keep it simple. Well, or in your country, not necessarily around the world, but just wherever, right? But not, in terms of, so they'll own 5 houses in this neighborhood, 5 houses in this other city's neighborhood, 5 houses in another city, like that. But it all comes together under a REIT. a real estate investment trust. And then they said they want to existing. Wait, where is it? Right, so they're going to do the property stuff. They're going to tokenize the property from this REIT. What's it called? REIT BZ. So whatever that is, they own a bunch of properties. Sounds like they're going to tokenize those properties. And then they're going to further cover a variety of traditional and alternative investments. So it looks like they're going to expand out. It looks like they're going to expand out after they do the property stuff. All right, good for you. So the company said, utilizing Tezos, a self-amending blockchain and smart contracts platform, will encourage BTG Pactual and Dalma Capital to enhance their digitization efforts by transacting in digital assets. And we've talked about it here. Like, I've told you, everything's going to be tokenized. I told you in 10 years, your baby, when you have a baby, yeah, on the birth certificate, yeah, there's going to be a QR code. That's going to be your baby's QR code, man. Ah, they're going to tokenize your baby. Look, since the announcement, seriously though, they really are though, actually. But not to be traded on in exchanges, of course. But oh yeah, your kid's gonna have a QR code. Since the announcement earlier this year, the REIT BZ STO, which uses an Ethereum-based token, has launched and passed a soft cap, according to the release. Well, the bank remains. What the hell? Well, the bank remains protocol and technology agnostic, and will continue to utilize the Ethereum protocol. So these guys are already on Ethereum. We see Tezos as a global player with a robust blockchain for asset tokenization, said Andre Portillo, a BTG partner who heads the STO initiative. And yeah, that's what I'm telling you guys, man. The platform tokens, man, that's the battle of the blockchain. That's the battle of the blockchain. Because look at Deloitte, right? Deloitte had something on, for some part of their program, their company on Ethereum. And then they moved that over to VeChain, right? But then they just launched something else on Ethereum. In other words, just because a company uses one blockchain or one platform token for one aspect of their company, doesn't mean that blockchain is appropriate for another aspect of their company. Maybe they need more transaction speed. So maybe you'll go to something like a Tron or Stellar for that part of your company. Whereas maybe you need just more security and stuff. So you'd go, for an Ethereum or an EOS over on this side, right? Do you understand? So a company like a Deloitte, yeah, by the end of this, yeah, might have distributed apps on, 4, 5, 6 different blockchains, right? See what I'm saying? All right. Why did I bring that up to you, though? Oh, because this company they're on Ethereum right now. This bank, what is it called? BTG? Yeah, it's already on blockchain. So they're still already on blockchain. They're already on Ethereum, but now they're also going to use Tezos. Yeah, you can use more than one. What? You don't have exclusive rights over my company, right? So I just want to bring that up to you just so you get your minds right. Like, I know everyone's like, well, everyone wants to kill Ethereum, right? So Tron is the Ethereum killer. EOS is the Ethereum killer. You're not killing anything, fucksticks. You're different things. And companies are going to use your particular blockchain if they find it a viable solution to whatever problem they're trying to solve. Yes. Look. So Dalma Capital has joined the effort as joint bookrunner or underwriter for REIT BZ and further expects to use Tezos for a number of other asset tokenization projects, from real estates to sports clubs. Exactly. They're going to tokenize everything. Your fucking dog's going to be tokenized, son. Not literally, but your house will. We see Tezos as one of the critical protocols for the burgeoning STO market and look forward to securing future deal flow on the Tezos blockchain. Yes, Tezos, look at you. So, said Zachary Safarati, Dalma Capital CEO. Yes. Tim Draper, CEO and founder of Draper Associates, who holds a stake in Tezos, said, "We are excited to see BTG Pactual and Dalma Capital making use of the Tezos blockchain. We are believers in the Tezos project and see a strong use case for security tokens." Back, look. So look, brothers. There you go, brothers. Tezos hodlers. Yes. A nice $1 billion contract. That's the way you onboard it. Onboard it with a nice $1 billion worth. Bloop, bang. And obviously, once it works, that's the beauty. That's the beauty of this year. All these blockchains got their main nets out and everything last year. All right. But now we want to see that. We want to see that motherfucker in action. Yeah, we want to see that thing work now. And so it's good to see, you know me, like I told you guys, I want every single blockchain out here to work. I believe everyone's got a space. Everyone's got a function. Just got to find it. And you got to make it look good. Well, not look good. You got to do good. And so when the institutional investors arrive, this place doesn't look like a flipping joke. You know, these little tech nerds, yeah, you know, it's going to look good. Right? So I want them all to work. So Tezos hodlers, thank you for making it look like it works. Well, now look like it works. Thanks for making it work. Bye. Yes. I want them all to work. Even you Ripple lovers. I mean, I want that shit to work. I just want you guys to stop being assholes, but I want that Ripple thing to work. Yeah. I don't think it's going to, but I wish it would. I wish they'd get a couple more fucking, you know, corridors. Look. Let's talk about some shit that works. Oh, good. And so now I'm going to tell you the prediction. All right, brother. Where's this guy? What's this guy's name? Where is he? Miguel Granoxt. Miguel Granoxt. Yes. I know I'm probably abusing your name there. I'm sorry, brother. So he said to me, I'm still curious what prediction you were going to talk about before the Boris Johnson story. Yeah, that Boris thing. Told you. Boris Johnson, he's a crazy guy, right? And he beat up his wife and the neighbor next door. And then the song, right? Boris, he lives next door. His bike is outside, but his money's offshore. Boris, he lives next door. I asked for some sugar, but he said I'm too poor. And so I got lost. There, brother. Yes. Look, but just for you, brother, I am going to tell you the prediction. I mean, it's not, this isn't something that amazing. It's just that I wanted to tell you that, guys, that November, December of this year, I believe are pivotal months. I told you guys May, June, July. Yes. Well, and I was right, you know what I mean? What can I say? But now I'm saying November, December, we are going to see major influx of money. And why do you say that, Shamari? Well, very easily, guys. All right. We got a lot of futures. Oh, so let me take this in order. Backed, coming online July 22nd to start testing, right? We read about RSX is coming online. We read about SIX, the Swedish stock exchange, doing their ETPs coming online. The UK, the United Kingdom, the British say they're coming online. I've told you all about the British, fucksticks. I don't need to tell you anymore. If you don't know, you better figure it out. Look, the Russians say they're coming online. Actually, that's supposed to be this week. Vladimir said he wanted his Vladimir says he wants his fucking crypto by July fucking 1st. It's the fucking 5th. Where is the fucking crypto? So look, but they're coming online. And so the reason I say November, December is because, okay, bang, you're going to get regulated for them. Well, sorry, they're already regulated. So the CFTC ones here in America and stuff, all right, this month they're coming online, but it's going to take a while for people to start onboarding, right? And so, and the UK, right, is going to come online this month. But remember we read, I mean, I don't know how fast the UK is going to be, but remember we read, look at when the Philippines came online into the champion nation list. Yeah, and then it was like 6 months later, they finally, remember we read the other day, they finally just got around to approving those, what was it, like 24 or 26 exchanges, right, in the Philippines. And so you see how things take a while. I thought it'd be a lot quicker. And so that's why I'm saying November, December, my prediction, November, December, brothers, you get ready for a flurry, a fucking flurry. And I'm going to tell you the truth. I'll even make another prediction right now. I told you I was alive for the dot-com bubble. Oh, yeah, I lived through it. I'm 45 years old. I'm not a kid. And that was a frenzy, just a global frenzy of investment. And I'm going to tell you this right now. Q1 next year, get ready for the global fucking frenzy. Yep, get ready for the fucking global frenzy, brothers. Q1 next year. I don't care if the Americans aren't here. And people aren't going to wait that long. And so that's the prediction. November, December, brothers. Bang, bang. Watch your stuff really grow. And so, and the reason I bring that up is that, guys, you got to get these large caps now. Unless you're priced out. I told you, like for me, Bitcoin, I'm priced out of Bitcoin. I'm not going to buy a $10,000 Bitcoin. If I would spend $10,000 today, yeah, I'd buy $10,000 of VeChain before I buy $10,000 of Bitcoin. You know what I mean? $10,000 of VeChain, that'll get me over $1 million VeChain. When that shit goes to $1, I'd make over $1 million bucks. You see what I'm saying? In terms of pricing out, Ethereum and Litecoin, I'm still in to nibble at a little bit, but I'm about done with those two. And that's why I was telling you guys last year, right? November, December, I kept preaching, sort of pounding in your heads. Get large caps, because you noticed, yeah, your large caps, how much have they moved this year, right? Your Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum have moved hundreds of percents. Hundreds, right? What is that? Litecoin is at like 300%. Ethereum is at 200%. Bitcoin went down to 3.1. Yeah, we're at 350% on your Bitcoins, right? I told you guys that. That's what was going to happen because why was that going to happen? Yeah, they're on the Bloomberg terminal already, right? They're already regulated here in America. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. Those are the four out of all this crypto. We've got 2,000. Let's even look. We have 2,318 cryptos. Yeah, well, guess what? Here in America, yeah, only 4 are these institutional investors allowed to mess around with, to invest in on their clients' behalf. Here in America, only 4 are regulated. The rest of these are still in regulatory limbo, right? I mean, that's what we've been waiting for. That's what I've been preaching about. Like, come on, we need the regulation, right? And so that's why I kept telling you guys to get those large caps because, yeah, they're already good to go on the Bloomberg terminal. I can't express to you how important that is. Like, I told you already. Yeah, why did I get into the crypto market? Yeah, when they put that on the Bloomberg terminal. All these fucksticks around here were telling me about this crypto crap. I was like, yo, go fuck yourselves and all that bullshit. Yeah, once I saw it on the Bloomberg terminal and the CBOE and the CME futures contracts, look. Any market player, any real player, he'll tell you. You go ask your local player, your local market player. Yes. Bitcoin's on the Bloomberg terminal. What do you think about that? He'll tell you. It means it's real. But it means the institutions are coming for that. And so that's why I'm saying to you guys, November, December, your large caps are going to, they're going to fly, they're going to go up between now and then. Let me tell you, once these futures come online, once these, well, what I'm about to read you, what am I about to read you again? Shit like this comes along. And all the mini futures, right? And this is Europe. The Europeans are coming online. Yeah, guys. Mad liquidity. Mad money. And it's all regulated and good to go. All right. All right. That was a lot of jib jab. But I wanted to get it through. And especially, you deserve the jib jab, brother. Sorry that I made you wait there, brother. I didn't think anyone cared. What's your name? Miguel. Brother. Bang. Look. That was for you, brother. And all of you. But bang, Miguel, especially you, though. You get an extra portion of it because yeah, he was like, yeah, I was hoping you'd tell us the thing you were talking about. I didn't think anyone really gave a fuck. I mean, I was going to tell you anyways, but just, yes, now that he mentioned it, I felt bad not mentioning it. So now I had to today. So November, December, brothers. And so get those large, oh, yes. And so another thing I want to tell you guys is just, look, guys, like I've been telling you this since last year, November, it's just the large caps are what's flying, right? Just what I promised you, just what I told you. I mean, not that I promised you. It's not like I'm doing something. I just know how market's working. So, right, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, yeah, you're up, what, hundreds of percents. Yeah, what's your fucking VeChain at? Yeah, my VeChain's gone nowhere. My VeChain has gone fuck all anywhere. You guys know I'm a serious VeChain lover, as you should be with a Walmart onboarding. If you're not, well, you better get there, brother. But look, right? Yeah, it's still down here, this 7-2 shit, right? Like, it blasted after the Walmart thing, but, you know, like I said, it's only cult members and just morons. So, you know, now it's down 5.9. So, that's what I was telling you. Get those large cap, get your large caps, because those large caps, which I told you would happen, are flying. Yeah, all this other shit we have, yeah, man, we got time to get that. So it gives you, if you don't want to get into the large caps, this right now gives you time to accumulate your small caps. If you want the ROI right now, which is what I did, right, in last November, December, and throughout Q1 of this year, was emphasize the large cap stuff. Bang! That should have covered, especially you brothers who were here with me last year as we were buying the dips. If you did buy those large caps, right, your large cap should have covered the cost of all the losses we made as we bought in, right? Because we were buying all the way through the blood red. But those large caps that we bought here in Q1, I hope if you bought enough, should have covered your losses, right? That's how my account looks, right? Remember I told you about it, the triangle. We bought all the way down, but the major holdings are down here, right, from Q1 of this year, which should have covered the losses from, you know, all of last year. And now you should be in the black. And now every time you buy, you should be getting more just profit, right? Sure, a blood red day here, a blood red week here, but profit, okay? Yeah, all right. Look at you fucking, what's this guy's name again? Miguel. Oh, you got the extended version explanation there, buddy. So there we go. November, December, brothers. So get all you can now. Get all you can now. With the large caps. Because remember this. Until they regulate the small caps, until they decide, is VeChain a security or a whatever they want to call it, or is it property? Is it a security? Is it property? Is it a commodity? Yeah, these guys, the institutions, bang, they're not allowed to buy it until it's fully regulated. And the tax implications are also regulated, right? So that's why you have a lot of time. I know, Shamori, though, I want the large cap. I want my small caps to rise. Of course, fuckstick, so do I. I have millions of VeChain. Once that shit goes to $1, I'm a millionaire. I want it to rise too, brothers. Believe me. And it will, and it'll all come in due time. All right, brothers. So bang. All right, one more little sip down. I should have been sipping while I was yapping. Look. Nordic Growth Market, NGM, lists mini futures, cryptocurrency contracts backed by Vontobel. All right. Let's take a peek. Oh, did I say this yet? Anyways, Americans, bang. I hope you had a happy 4th of July. Bang. All right. Let's get back to work. I wasn't sure if I mentioned that. 4th of July was fuck all to me. I just slept through it all. Yeah, well, the Forex market doesn't give a fuck about 4th of July. Look, on Thursday, the 4th of July, 2019, Nordic Growth Market, NGM, a Swedish stock exchange, announced that it has listed Ether-based as well as Bitcoin mini futures. And that's what I'm trying to tell you. You have to remember these things. You have to remember this. These ETFs we're waiting for, the options, the futures. Yeah, these are Bitcoin futures, Bitcoin ETFs. And the Ethereums are going to come right behind it. So, it doesn't help the price of the other stuff. Excuse me. You know what I mean? Like, Bitcoin going up drags the market up, but that's not the true investment you want, right? The true investment we need is when, major players come in and, dump, bang, $1 billion into VeChain, bang, $1 billion into Chainlink, bang, $1 billion into IOTA. You know what I mean? Like directly, not because Bitcoin goes up, it's just dragging the prices of those assets up, but because supply and demand, we've talked about it, because the demand is high for those assets. You see what I'm saying? It'll come, and that's what's good. I mean, look, guys, every week that these guys aren't here, that's another week of paycheck for you to put money in and position yourself for the tsunami. I know it's frustrating, but it's actually good for you guys. You get time. You worker guys, you 9 to 5 guys, you get 26 paychecks a year. That's it. So every new pay period that doesn't see your stuff blow up too much gives you another time to get it cheap. Right? I know you want it to blow up now, but do you really? Or would you like one more pay period to get a little bit more? Just a little bit more. Look, gotta ask yourself these kind of things. Worker bees, look. But you're my killer bees. Look, on Thursday, 4th of July, Nordic Management, a Swedish stock exchange, announced Tether-based, Bitcoin-based mini futures. Bang. Vontobel, an investment bank which recently launched tracker certificates on Litecoin, Ether, Bitcoin, and Ripple, will be backing the derivatives products. Per the listing, Tommy Franson, the deputy. So this brings liquidity, but it does not take any product out of the market. So, it is with great pleasure. Oh, so this guy, the deputy chief executive of Nordic Growth Market, said, "It is with the great pleasure we list mini futures on cryptocurrencies from Vontobel. It has a big interest among investors. This listing further strengthens the crypto products offering at NGM." All right. So in mini futures, which are often called e-minis, that's how I know them, they're called e-minis here in America, are quite similar to the standard futures contracts in all things apart from its value, which is a fraction of the standard futures contract. So here in America, you buy a futures contract, you're sort of buying. So I always talk about the soybean farmer. Soybean farmer has 100 acres of soybeans growing. If you're a futures guy, you buy his whole 100 acres of futures. Right? But these e-minis, I don't know, I guess you could buy 10 acres of his soybeans instead. So, I mean, I'm not a futures guy. I've never messed with the futures. But don't worry, when it comes, I'll show you. I mean, I know how they work and everything, so I just haven't done it. Yes, more money in Forex. Look, E-mini NGM traders can benefit both from hikes or dips in performance of an asset because the exchange allows both long as well as short positions. Yeah, so we're going to be getting into it, brothers. And I told one of the brothers yesterday, let me go to the comments again yesterday. Actually, let me just bang these comment guys. JK, bang. Look, Miguel, bang. Ron Cash, you son of a bitch, bang. Oh, where was that guy? Oh, I guess that was the day before. All right, well, you guys got a free bang. Look, and he was telling me, Shamari, man, when the futures thing comes, you're going to show us, right? I'm like, fuck yeah, I am, buddy. Don't worry about it. I'm going to tell you right here, Americans, if you're a fucking American and you're watching me, you better be saving some coin, some money. Yes, investing in your crypto warehouse, but put some money on the side because when these futures hit America, oh yes, cryptocurrency blockchain news is going to show you the real fucking deal, real fucking leverage. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm not going to play games. I'm even going to do some fucking live streaming shit for you fucksticks. Yep. That's how big it is. That's how big it is. If you're new here, you probably don't know. Yeah, when I heard of this thing called OKX, 100x, 100 times leverage. Oh, perpetual contract. And you can turn the leverage up and down. I was going to move to Europe last summer. Or when was it? I think it was in Q3. Yeah, I was desperate. I was going to even go to Jamaica. My family, I'm a Jamaican. I'm not an American. I'm a Jamaican. And, I grew up in Canada. I was born here in America. So by citizenship, I'm an American. But actually, by heritage, I'm Jamaican. And, by the way I was raised, I'm a Canadian. As well. That's why I'm all polite and shit. But I have a mouth like a sailor. But look, I was going to travel all the way to Jamaica, just to get that. That's how powerful these are. And don't you worry, brothers. When we get those here in America, oh, you fucking better believe I'm all over it. And I am going to unleash it on you guys. Oh, my gosh. We are going to make so much money. All right, but just see. Hold on. Let's just calm down, though. Man. And that's what I was saying about the other guys the other day. I'm like, I'm surprised I'm not hearing in my comments yet, like European guys just being like, Shamari, motherfucker, I'm up $1 million already. Anyway, due to the high volatility of crypto assets, there has been a rise in the demand for cryptocurrency-backed derivatives, hence the launch of the mini futures. Yes. This high demand for crypto-backed derivatives can be seen in the statistics report by CME. By CME Group, which recently hit $1.7 billion worth of Bitcoin futures in a single day, as well as an increase in new user registration for trading Bitcoin futures. Actually, I was going to do that story today, but because this had that in it, I was like, all right, I can just tell you guys. Yeah, the CME, that's the Chicago Mercantile Exchange here in America. Yeah, man, they're seeing record after record after record signups for their Bitcoin futures contracts. Every month. Wait till BACT gets here. Wait till RSX gets here. Yes. And because the BACT and the RSX ones are physically settled futures. Yes. Creating scarcity, taking them off the market for us. And so that's what's amazing about those ones. The CME ones are cash settled, so it gives us liquidity, but it doesn't help price. Many other platforms are looking to benefit from the highly lucrative market as they look into offering cryptocurrency-based services. And then here's another example. And that's why, that's why the the November, December thing is a key because, and I'm going to read it to you here. RSX, a cryptocurrency trading platform, was recently issued a license from the United States Commodity Regulator to provide crypto futures contracts to its customers. The CFTC licensed it. We read it, obviously. And in June, Ledger X also got a license from the U.S. Commodities Regulator, the CFTC, to provide physically delivered Bitcoin derivatives. Physically delivered. Take them off the market, create scarcity, bang, drive price up. Yes. So look, in addition, Roger Studer, the head of investment banking at Vontobel, said, the new mini futures on cryptocurrencies will give investors new instruments. I told you, investment vehicles, right? The 7 investment vehicles. The new mini futures and the mini futures, that's just another investment vehicle. So there's 8. The new mini futures on cryptocurrencies will give investors new instruments to trade cryptocurrencies in bullish as well as bearish market environments. They will also enable crypto investors to hedge long crypto positions. Vontobel underlines its claim to deliver innovative products, liquid market access, as well as best services to its customers, and confirms its position as one of Sweden's leading providers of structured products. Bang! Look! So there's a little more liquidity. Bang! Here comes some more goods. More whales, brothers. More whales. And that's what we need. We need whales. We need money. We need cash. We need this. Cash. Look. Fuck. Get the SEC off our back. And really unleash. Oh, man, brothers. Because do you notice the products that are being unleashed, right? All I've read to you this month and last month, right? They're all futures contracts. Yeah, these are all futures being released. They're not releasing any ETFs. They're not releasing a bunch of other stuff for now. I'm not going to lie to you. Actually, I'm wondering how come the CFTC keeps allowing these futures guys to come out with their futures, but the SEC is not allowing guys to come out with their ETFs. I mean, right? Because it's still market manipulation. The concern amongst the regulators is still market manipulation. So what are these futures guys telling the CFTC that they're doing to fight market manipulation that the SEC doesn't think is good enough? Do you get what I'm saying? You got the SEC and you got the CFTC. CFTC is approving. The SEC is like, yo, fuck all that. Yeah, but they have the same concerns, right? Right? Money laundering, right? They got, right? Money laundering, terrorist financing, market manipulation. So what are these guys doing over here that is making the CFTC be like, okay, that's good enough. Terrorist financing, anti-money laundering, but the market manipulation is the big one. What are they doing, saying to the CFTC that the CFTC is saying, yeah, great, you know, we're fine with that. We don't think the market will be manipulated. That the SEC is like, nah, dog. I'm just saying, you know what I mean? I don't have an answer for you. I'm just, you know, trying to get your brain to work for you. Look, brothers. Bang! And then finally, Cyprus finance minister, blockchain draft bill to be ready this year. So look, Cyprus. Wow, let's read first and then we'll do the ceremony. Yes, we'll have the jet flyovers and the fireworks. Yes, we'll add them to the list. Hold on, though. You don't get added yet. Not till we read. Not till we make sure. Yes, the coveted crypto blockchain list of champions. Yuck. You don't just get added to that for nothing. Look, the finance minister. It's coveted. It's a coveted list. Yes, it's a prized glory and honor. Look, the finance minister of Cyprus. Oh, man, Shamari. Harris, Georgia. All right, hold on. Georgiades has said that the country's blockchain regulation draft will be ready this year. English language local finance news outlet Financial Mirror reported the news on July 4th. Per the report, Georgiades described blockchain technology as a new technological revolution similar to that of the internet, like I told you guys. And that's why I keep telling you. You ask me, Shmori, how do you know I'm going to get rich, dog? How do you know I'm going to... I lived through the dot-com bubble, fuckstick. I lived through it. I saw the money everybody made. I'm going to tell you what's going to happen right now. All right, you want another prediction? I'll tell you what's going to happen right now, you fuckstick. Yeah, you know what's going to happen next year? Boom! Yep. There is going to be... The floodgates will be open next year. Yep. And then we're going to begin we're going to begin the bubble run. Yep, just like the dot-com bubble. I was alive for that dot-com bubble. Happened from 1992 to the year 2000. Once it built enough momentum in 1992, boom! It just blew up. And every fucking single company just made so much money. Everyone investing made so much money. It becomes a global frenzy. The dot-com bubble was a global frenzy. Anyone who put any amount of money in made money, right? Like, you couldn't lose, right? And that's what's about to happen in this market. We're about to go through another bubble, but the beauty of this bubble is it's an institutional bubble we're about to go through. Institutions from all around the world are going to be coming in here to buy these assets. That's why I tell you guys, like when I tell you guys, look, fuckstick. This is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. You will be rich. Yeah, because this is, look, never in the history of man has the regular guy. Yes, let's bring out some old school talk. Never in the history of man has the regular guy had the asset that the rich man wants, and then the rich man has to come and pay for it. Never. Look, how does it always work? When the IPOs come out, yeah, Facebook, yeah, they IPO it to us after the insiders have their Facebook shares. Then we get the IPO. Uber just happened a couple weeks ago, right? A few weeks ago, whatever. Right? Yeah, the insiders have their shares. Then they IPO it to us. Yeah, this time, things are a little fucking different, aren't they? Things are a little fucking different this fucking time, aren't they? Yeah, the regular guys got the shit this time. That the rich man wants, that the wealthy man wants, that the institutional investor wants. And this time they got to come begging to you for the asset. Look, around these parts, me and my crew, we're going to make him pay a nice premium. Yes. Yes, indeed, brothers, because it's your turn. It's your turn. It's a once-in-a-lifetime chance. It's once in a lifetime where you have the shit, the asset that the wealthy man wants. The wealthy man has the asset and sells it to you. It's happened throughout history. Or if the regular guy had the asset and the rich man wanted it, well, he'd just take it from the poor man or the regular guy. You know what I'm talking about. Not poor, but you know what I mean. The worker bee. Yeah, this time the worker bee's got it. Look. And this time you can't take it from the worker bee. Look. Not this time. Things are a little different this time. There's the worker bees in control this time. Oh. And I'm going to tell you, little worker bees, if you're going to be here on my channel, you're going to make these sons of bitches pay a nice premium for your goods. A nice premium for goods. It's your turn this time. This is your time to make millions. Fuck, millions? Yes. Holy, especially wait till the 100 times futures gets here. Yes. It's your turn. And we're going to make them pay a premium. Look, you just stick with Shamari here. I'm not going to let them get your shit that cheap. No. That mortgage you got, bang, gone. Car payments, gone. Kids' college fund, paid for. Look. We're not playing games around here, brothers. We're going to milk this crypto cow. Oh, wait. We're going to milk this crypto cow together for everything she's got. And I'm going to help you all along the way. Look. Yes. It's your turn this time. It's been far too long. Bang! They've been sipping champagne, eating caviar on the golf course for far too long. We're going to bring some regular guys over to the golf course now. They'll be eating hot dogs and hamburgers. Yes. We're going to bring a new member to the country club. But look, okay. And that's why I do this, guys. I know. You're probably wondering, like, what the fuck? This guy's a 19-year investor. Why does he tell us this shit for free? I love the thought. Of regular folk getting their turn, their bite of this financial apple, their bite of the global market. And this is your way to do it. There's no other way. I mean, you can come in the Forex market and fuck around with us. Learn how to do it and do it. But this is your turn with the crypto. This crypto thing is special because the regular man owns it before the institutional investor, the wealthy man, gets here. I'm always for the underdog. You guys are the underdogs. Yes. Well, you stick with me. It's going to be your turn this time. That's how I like it. Why do you do that, Shamari? I don't know why I do it. I like it. Why do you like it? I don't know why I like it. I just do. Look, the finance minister of Cyprus has said that the country's blockchain regulation draft will be ready this year. Bang, ready this year. He said it. So look. I like getting crazy with the looks. Look. So we're going to add them. We are going to add Cyprus. I mean, they don't get on the they don't get on the coveted list yet. But they do get a position in the waiting list. Not waiting list, but up and coming crypto blockchain nations of champions. Yes. Champion nation. So there they are. It's official. Bang, Cyprus. Bang, you're welcome. Yes, it's coveted. All right, but come on. So look, per the report, Georgia describes blockchain technology as a new technological revolution similar to that of the internet. Oh, yeah, that's why I started talking about the whole internet thing. Exactly, man. I was here for that bubble. That's exactly what's going to happen here. And that's what you have to face. We're about to see a bubble. Are these prices going to last after 5 years from now? Probably not. The bubble's going to burst, but we're going to make ourselves a lot of money while the bubble's happening. Demetrius Silaris, House Speaker, also praised the technology potential during the event. So, full implementation of this technology across the public and private sector is expected to radically change the structure of modern societies, the way they're organized and their operation, just like the internet did, right? It changed everything, right? According to him, the national strategy will sustain Cyprus's digital innovation, provide the necessary framework, and a roadmap exploring the application of distributed ledger technology across many industries while also addressing risks and threats. The national blockchain pilot programs will reportedly involve the Department of Land and Surveys, the Department of Customs and Excise, the Tax Department, and the National Betting Authority. All right. So they got all their regulatory bodies in action. As Cointelegraph reported in February, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, CUISEC, is calling for the transposition of the European Union EU's fifth anti-money laundering AML directive, AMDLDS directive, into national law, bringing local regulation of cryptocurrencies under its provisions. So they complied to the EU standards. In December last year, Cyprus was among the 7 EU states that co-signed a declaration calling for help in the promotion of DLT use in the region. Bye. So look, we got another country. We'll see if they get here. Because that's the thing. They say they're going to do their crypto regs, but the thing is, what regulations are they going to end up being? The India one, yeesh, sounds like they're going to lock up people for 10 years. The UK one, sounds like they're going to release some whales. Yes. So, we got to just see, and we just got to wait and just see what each individual country gives us in terms of regulation. But, bang, Cyprus, welcome to the waiting list of the cryptocurrency blockchain news. Championship nations, coveted, lovely, wonderful. Bang! Let's get shout outs. All right. And let's get everyone grouped here. Boop. All right. Look, shout outs. What do we got? Bert's big drops. Bang, bang. Look. Bang. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Boom. What do we got? Radster. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Yeah. Spinium. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Look. Son of a bitch. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Yes. Yeah, dropper. Wrong cares. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Look, sweetie. What'd she say? Blockchain can save a life. Well, all right. Look, sweetie. Yes. Multi-talented. Multi-everything. Fine and wonderful. Glorious. Blockchain stallion. Bang. See you, girl. Yes. Multi-everything. Great. In the multiverse. Look. Moon landing 420. Bang. What we got? Chain talk. The missing block. All right, brother. Bang. What do we got? We talked about these guys before. Infinitus Tech. Bang. See you, brother. Wait. Why is it? TRX Lounge. DTL. Twitter page of TRX Lounge. Tron Lounge. The future of blockchain. Marketing today. Bang. See you, brother. What we got here? Megan Elliott. Look at you, little Megan. Yes. Can get some of this money, girl. Look. Evil music lover. Settle down, weirdo. Bacon Maven. Yes. Incurable. Zombie buff. Web nerd. Oh, she likes all that dark, spooky stuff. Look. She probably likes a little spanking. Bang, Megan. See you, girl. Bang. Those dark girls are. They like that kind of stuff. Go to San Francisco. I lived in San Francisco. Sleep with a dark girl. You'll see. Yes. Justin Delavina. Bang. See you, brother. Look. That's our brother right here. Edwin. Bang. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bang. DP Entertainment. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bang. Yes. Poppy. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bang. Yes, indeed. All right. Well, that's usual suspects. Let's get a couple more of these. What we got? Manoj Kumar. Bitcoin lover. Investors. Crypto traders. Donations. Yes. Look, brother. If you're a trader, what the fuck you asking for donations for, brother? You should be making money. Look, but I hope it works out for you, brother. Love you, brother. Bye. Yeah, that's why I do this YouTube channel, drinking and smoking. Yeah, I'm a Forex trader. I don't need YouTube shit money, motherfucker. I'll just drink and smoke and have a good old time. If you need someone to donate to you, you're probably not a trader. Look, but you're trying, and that's good, brother. And I don't want to stop you from doing that. Keep practicing. Put in the screen time. You will make it. You will make it. Screen time, brother. Screen time. Don't skimp. Don't skimp. All right. That's all I can tell you, brother. Look, Humpty Calderon. Tech strategist, planning and integration, branding and business development, head of marketing, Sesame Seed Org, oh, Poppy POS, oh, Tron card ads, oh, Tron lover, go see it, blockchain, crypto, look, Tron lover, bye, see you, brother. All right, guys, let's get you back to your wives. Boom, and lives. Bang, there you go. So, guys, obviously, being the greatest show on earth, we had a great show for you today. Now, yes, treat yourself to the show. That's how you got to do it. You just treat yourself to this show once in a while. That's how good it is. I get to treat yourself. What are you doing this Friday? I'm just going to treat myself to a little cryptocurrency blockchain news show. Yes. Gathered the wife and kids. Well, not the kids. Maybe not even the wife. Just luck. Just luck. Treat yourself to the show, brothers. Look. I know your wife's probably not going to like you. Well, it's not going to matter anymore. You're making money now. Right? Last year, those wives, while we were buying on the way down, they're probably like, you're listening to this motherfucker? He's smoking a cigarette. Why are you listening to this fucking asshole for? And they didn't know. There was a lot of yap then. Oh, let's talk about a little yap. How much yap now is there? My own mother. You want to hear it? My own mother opened a Coinbase account this Sunday. Yes. Yes, she did. She opened a Coinbase account, and my aunt already had one, actually, and so that's why she opened it, because my aunt told her. My aunt's a worker bee. I'm an investor. Why are you listening to the aunt other than me? But my mom owned one, so I'm gonna just go tell her to go grab a bunch of Litecoin and just chill out. So look, brothers, great show. Tezos signs a $1 billion deal with a Brazilian bank. Bang! Tezos hodlers, that's good for you. And good for all that good stuff. All right. EU futures are coming. Yeah, those guys are going to rock futures. And they say it's not just Bitcoin. They're going to do Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Like I told you, it's on the Bloomberg terminal, right? Like, you have to remember the Bloomberg terminal, every player in the world uses that. And they're not stupid. Like, they know that if something appears on a Bloomberg terminal, oh, shit's real, right? I mean, this is a legitimate investment vehicle now. And so that's why I said November, December, everyone that realizes now this is a legitimate investment vehicle. Now, or cryptocurrency is a legitimate investment asset, if you want to, asset class. There we go. And so now, like I said, this month, we got BACT coming online. The UK is coming online. Russia's coming online. We read about RSX. We read about, anyway, a couple other ones coming online. And they should be in full operation, fully operational in November, I believe. I'm just giving them a few months. Probably closer, maybe even October. But just, I want to, So that's that. And then Cyprus drops a crypto bill. Cyprus is coming online. And again, it's like every other country. Yeah, just because you're on the list over here doesn't mean they're going to be good regulations. Look at India. India's talking about locking up people for 10 years for buying crypto. So just because they get on the waiting list doesn't mean it's going to be good for us. So we actually have to see what it ends up being. You know what I mean? But the fact that there's movement on that front is great. So look, let's chill it and kill it. Get you back to your wives and lives. Look, subscribe below. Press the subscription bell, or press the bell. Well, press subscribe, and then when you press subscribe, there's some sort of bell there. You press that bell, and then bang, you get automatic notification when I do this show. Look, my name's Shamar. I love talking money, love talking crypto. Yes, the favorite time of my day. Look, fuck sticks. My name's Shamar Clark. Love you guys. Gonna make a lot of money, and it's coming. It's really coming, hard and fast. So get everything you can. If you're priced out of the large caps, then load up on those small caps, because that small cap stuff is coming later. Like I told you, man, your Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, bang! Yeah, they're blasting now, right? And your VeChain aren't doing much. So you have time. You have time. But if you're priced out, you don't have the money or whatever, bang, bang, bang. Just load up on that small cap stuff and hold on. Just not just small cap stuff, but revenue generating small cap stuff. Your VeChain, your IOTA, your Chainlink, bang! Yes, okay? Load up if you can't afford your large caps. If you can afford some large caps, load up on that and ride that for a minute. And then we'll get into small cap talk. I think probably around November, December. Well, I doubt it. Probably next year, though. But, all right? So, bang! That's how you got to do it. Look! Love you guys. My name's Shamar Clark. Bang! I'm always on duty. Bang! See you guys tomorrow. Love you guys. Over and out.